小朋友们，今天我们来学习第一单元部分内容 Unit 1 What's he like? 他什么样子啊？今天重点学习第2页对应的内容 This is Amy. This is Amy. 这是艾米 She's quiet. She's quiet. 她很文静She's very hardworking. Hardworking, 勤奋的，努力的。She's very hardworking. 她学习非常努力。That is 吴亦凡。That is 吴亦凡。那是吴亦凡。He's very clever. Very, very, 咬下唇。Very clever. He's very clever. 他很聪明。He's polite too. Polite, 有礼貌的。He's polite too. 他也很有礼貌。Hello, my name is Oliver. 我的名字叫 Oliver. Hi.你好 Hello 你好整体和老师来读一遍 This is Amy. She's quiet. She's very hardworking. That is 吴亦凡 He's very clever. He's polite too. Hello, my name's Oliver. Hi.Hello， 好，今天的内容跟着老师一起来打卡吧。喜欢小雅老师，别忘了双击关注哦。